Since Bitcoin got its first public stint back in 2009,
we have the dollar and the internet, the Bitcoin.
the decentralized currency exchange or crypto landscape has changed dramatically. More than 19,000 cryptocurrencies have been introduced to the market. What began as a romanticized idea of a digital currency which will empower global citizens to trade and purchase freely on a global scale quickly turned into a high-risk, high-return trading game. To most young investors around the world, it seemed to be the case that betting on crypto is equivalent to easy money. Southeast Asia is among the fastest growing regions for cryptocurrency adoption rates.
Most of people here just wanted to go with the hype that, okay, put your money in crypto and then you will gain more and more profit.
So they're like, okay, I buy it here, it can go up, it can go down. I don't want to know why.
But like most tech industries around the world, crypto is coming tumbling down in the latest financial crisis. So, is this the end to the romanticized ideals of a decentralized industry where cryptocurrency rules? And what will Southeast Asian crypto investors do? Before dealing with the future of crypto, let's familiarize ourselves with the traders themselves.
Mostly it was male and they are under 35 years old.
Risk taker.
And usually it was the middle class because they have the money to invest, but at the same time, they have the drive to move up the social ladder.
46% of crypto owners in Vietnam had to make money quickly as one of their reasons for owning crypto, because the risk to reward balance is unevenly tipped in favor of crypto adoption. That said, 3 out of 4 crypto traders claim to have a moderate to low level of understanding of cryptocurrencies and the crypto market.
Instead of just profit, I think they also about the fear of, I don't know, like you said.
FOMO, it's fear of missing out. Overnight, you can be a millionaire, billionaire. So, other people can do it. I can do it too. Maybe it's my turn.
That's why they needed to do this, not only to gain profit, but also to build a new network.
Even the exposure to high fraudulent transactions hasn't slowed down the trend. Not to mention that in both Vietnam and Indonesia, cryptocurrency exchanges are still illegal, where in Indonesia, it is declared as haram.
Because Indonesia is the largest Muslim population, when the chairman said that this is not good, this is haram, whether you follow this Islamic concern or you don't follow, and then some people maybe condemn you as not a good Muslim.
So we are not protected. If anything happens, you only have yourself to blame.
Still, in a curious turn of events, Southeast Asian countries became a fertile zone with near-perfect conditions for cryptocurrencies to fill a much-needed gap. Southeast Asia continues to be home to one of the largest underbanked and unbanked populations in the world, which means that a large portion of the population doesn't have bank accounts or access to financial and credit services through banks. The high internet penetration and a devastating pandemic left people desperate for alternative sources of income, made crypto a very appealing prospect. With an email account and a smartphone, people can start trading virtual currencies via their exchange or digital wallets. Though it does not stop here. Fragmented points of entry into the cryptoverse were being made constantly, ranging from crypto exchanges to NFT marketplaces and play-to-earn, such as GameFi, which enables users to earn money by playing, just like the very popular Axie Infinity.
During COVID time, I know that a lot of people make good money. A lot of people in South Asia, the amount of money they make from the game is way above the average salary over there. So it's a lifesaver.
Trading NFT avatars with the game's cryptocurrencies proved to be a valuable alternative income source among Filipino players in particular. Between 2020 and 2021, the number of daily active Axie Infinity players grew from approximately 10,000 to over 2 million, with the majority of players from Southeast Asian nations. But then,
the reason that it crashed because the token in there was inflated, the price was too high, the cost to entry was too high now.
just like most other tech markets around the world, the value of crypto started tumbling down. And with it, some of the companies who invested in the crypto traders universe.
Axie Infinity crashed 34%, and they may crash even more. Now it's life-changing to a lot of people as well.
The sector went from an estimated $3 trillion in total assets last November to less than $1 trillion. But some investors believe that, like any tradable market, crypto was bound to have a fallout before a new spike.
They just see it as an opportunity to buy low. Look at Bitcoin. It goes up and it goes down and it goes up even higher.
According to research we conducted, 42% of crypto traders in Vietnam and Indonesia have increased their trading frequency since the recent market fluctuations.
Around 6% of Vietnam population own crypto. So the market's still huge, and with a steady amount of experienced trader is enough to draw new people in.
Others believe that cryptocurrencies are the building blocks to a whole new economy, one which is closer to the original intentions of a decentralized coin.
So really, what is crypto, right? That's the question we need to answer to ourselves. What is an NFT? What is a token? What is a coin? All of these are kinds of assets, right? In creating value around stuff that over the years only existed in the real world. But in itself, crypto is not equal to Web3. And that difference is very essential for all of us to understand. In the Web3 world, there are the Web3 builders who will have tokens listed in exchanges. And then there will be the traders who will be speculating on these crypto tokens to be able to either drive short-term or long-term value out of them. These are two broad ways of approaching Web3 and crypto.
As more transactions shift into the Web3 world, existing solutions will look to develop more applications and entry points to manifest a space for all types of users.
There is an entire world out there that needs the benefits of decentralization. From cooking to sports to wellness to anything that is relevant to a member or a user today, the token value will be derived not really on how much you can trade it, or on the airdrops or staking, but it will be derived through engagement, learning, and networking. And that's really where Web3 will start to play a part in enriching people's lives on a daily basis.
The coming together of regulations and the emergence of crypto-enabled ecosystems suggests crypto's longevity and ability to embed itself in Southeast Asian populations' lives in the long run as much more than a quick money scheme for new traders.
As more and more organizations who create tokens and list them are built on solid mass adoption use cases of blockchain, this will definitely change.